The tiredness and boredom is hellfire. With the boredom and tiredness, you can't even peacefully sleep. Understand that. You may be lying on the bed, but you will be rolling over. If you lie down on the bed after real, sincerely exhausting whatever you want to do and fall into the bed, you will be so powerful and fall asleep. But just out of boredom and tiredness, if you fall into the bed, you will be so powerless you can't even fall asleep. Falling asleep is an action as per Hindu tradition. Understand? It is not non-action. Only unclutching is non-action. Everything else is action. So for falling asleep, your buddhi need to be powerful. To work, your muscles need to be powerful. To plan, your logic needs to be powerful. For falling asleep, your buddhi need to be powerful. Understand? That is why in the West so many people suffer even to fall asleep. It's only the Vedic tradition which has a solution and answer. I am telling you, let anybody teach any religion. You can practice all that in the daytime. But if you want to fall asleep, the only religion you can practice is Hinduism, nothing else. Nothing else will teach you to fall asleep. Any amount of any size bed you can buy, any number of pills you can swallow. It's only the Vedic tradition which can give you rest or help you to fall asleep, because falling asleep is an action. It is not collapsing on the bed as you have been taught from the beginning. Your buddhi needs to be powerful. Your buddhi will be powerful whole day if you keep your body and intellect powerful. Whole day if you are acting, alive, not entertaining the boredom and tiredness, then just you can stretch your body, it will fall into samadhi. It will fall into the state of yoga nidra.